Never did that before. Really? Never done that. Never felt that sound. What did you think of that at the edge? About the thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Say don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Little things. It's the little things that give you, that's the connection. Thank you to J.R. who did a beautiful piece there from his Syria. To Anton Corbin for the films throughout the show. Thank you to our crew, to you, our audience, for giving us this great life. And I'm kind of out of my mind with this evening. Forgive me. I think we should take it home and do something. It's the last song on the album. And I give you a song, the light had been turned out. You walked out in the world, you belong there, as easy as a breeze. Each heart was yours to please. Is it only me who sees there's something wrong there? Oh la la la, I'm not a ghost now. I can see. Need to see. It's the little things give you away, the words you cannot say, your big mouth in the way. It's the little things tease and betray, as a haunting out from the prey. It's the little things that give you away. Saw you on the stairs, you didn't notice I was there. That's 'cause you were talking at me and not to me. You were high above the storm, a hurricane being born. But this freedom, it might cost you your liberty. It's the little things that give you away, the words you cannot say, your big mouth in the way. It's the little things that tease and betray, as arms are never come to pray. It's the little things that give you away. Sometimes can't believe my existence. I see myself from a distance. I can't get back inside. Sometimes the air is so anxious, all my tasks are so thankless, and all of the innocence is died. Sometimes I wake up 4 in the morning, where all the darkness is swollen, and it covers me in fear. So time.